Okay, so what I'm attempting to do here is I'm recording video with my iPhone and the Rode video mic plugged into that for audio and video. But I want to record the bass. I've got my cab mic'd with a Beta 52A, and I've also got the SM57 out here for kind of an ambient sound. Also because when I record with just one mic, it's all in one ear for some reason. So my simple solution for that was, we'll just record it with two mics and two channels, and then I can pan them however I want. But I don't know how I'm gonna sync the video to the audio I'm recording on GarageBand here through the SSL. So that's two channels, two mics into SSL, going into iPad, channels 1 and 2. Unfortunately, I've got a lot of hiss going on in my amp. Being in a marina, there's all kinds of weird grounding issues and radio, VHF, radar, all kinds of things happening around here. I think most of it is my inverter making the noise, but you'll hear it in a sec. So anyway, let's see what happens here. Also, I got a lot of rattling going on I got to address, but this is just experimental shit right now. Record.